Alright, good morning guys. So this video ended up with me doing like a voiceover music type situation because Jonathan is asleep, but Jonathan is now up. Say hi, say good morning. You don't say good morning? Very good. So this is the look for today. I actually wore this look out on a video shoot that I had to do and I absolutely loved it. I love orange. This lip combination is beautiful and the only thing I used the only thing I used was my Saharan Volume 1. Yeah, Saharan Volume 1 blush palette. It's the only thing I used for this eye look and for my eyes and for my glow and for everything. Oh no, and I used this here as well. Yes, Baba? You're stuck. You have to fight to get out. So this is the Royalty one by JUVIAS and it's a loose highlighter. And I didn't have to layer it. Yeah, it's my bra. My brassiere.
Mommy, can you turn your dress?
Whoa. Alright, so I didn't have to use this one, but I chose to use it initially and then I just went in with this. So this is the look. I'm wearing their Tattoo Matte Lippy. So of course I'm on my IsokenEnofe bonnet. I love it. And yes, this is okay guys. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not. Share this video, like, go ahead and drop a comment. I will be responding, but not to everybody though, but who I can respond to. But you can't see. I know you can't see. It's supposed to be at the back. I'm going to show what that look like when you're playing football because the numbers always go to the back. But this is it for this intro you guys, and do enjoy the video. Why am I saying that you're going to watch the video? So go ahead and watch the video. Go ahead and watch the video.
What?
I had some on my teeth.
What, Mommy?
Alright guys, so I'm going to start out by using my Nature's Pure Turmeric Face Moisturizer. I already washed with my turmeric soap and it's also from Nature's Pure. Somebody asked me on Instagram where was this moisturizer from and I tagged them on Instagram and then I even held up the product on Instagram as well. But it's from Nature's Pure. They're a Jamaican all-natural skincare and hair care brand. Hopefully I'll be working with them in the future so you guys can see more of the products that they do offer. But I have been using turmeric now for a really long time. What I need is like a turmeric scrub because I am using the Scent Ives scrub right now and I love a turmeric scrub because I like how the scrubs make my skin feel. I feel really nice when I use them. So now I'm just using a brown eyeliner pencil and I'm just drawing on my brows how typically, and I actually arched my brows a little bit higher this time when I was grooming them. By grooming them I mean shaving them off. Then I went in with the black eyeliner and now I'm going back in with the brown eyeliner and I'm just blending them together so that there are no lines in between. So now I'm taking my medium contour cream and it's just like a highlight on contour cream from LA Girl. And that's one that I use medium, and I'm using this the darker color as the color for my brows to get my brows a little bit more defined. And then when I'm done doing that, I'm going to use the other side, the lighter side, and I'm going to use that for just the arch of my brows, not like from the beginning to the tip, but just the arch, the highest point of my brows. So now I'm taking my Fenty Face Primer and then after that I'll be going in with my Fenty Pro Filter Foundation and I'm in the color 430. I know I'm showing you guys everything and then I'm telling you guys what I'm doing as I go along because I find that this is easier for some of you to understand. Hopefully I can master playing, a little soothing music in the background so my voice is not just so harsh in the ears. But how I apply my foundation is I do it on one side at a time. So I use 2 pumps per side, per cheek. Then I'll probably go like 3 small pumps for my forehead and then probably like half a pump or something like that for my chin. I'm just doing like little pumps. I'm saying pump so much I feel like it's a naughty word. I'm doing little pumps all over my face. It sounds like a naughty word. I am putting the product on my face in smaller dosages. You guys seeing what I'm doing, right? Even though it's sped up, you guys are seeing, you're understanding. Good job. And I do go on my eyes with it, and I also went on my eyes with the primer as well. It's a face primer. It goes everywhere except on my lips. And if I hadn't done my brows, it would have gone on my brow area as well. So this is how I like to apply it. And you see, just like 1, 2, 3 little bit of product on my forehead, just to get rid of the hyperpigmentation on my forehead. For some reason, I feel like my skin is getting worse. I mean, some days it is absolutely flawless, and some days it's just like riddled with spots. I don't know. But now I'm going to be taking Fawn, and this is what I'll be using to do my highlights. I have completely missed Fawn. I'm sorry, I would have really loved to take the Fenty Beauty highlighter, you know, the in Sienna, I believe, that one, suede, but my one finish, even though I love how it looks with this foundation, it done. And this, in comparison to the Fenty Beauty one, not the new concealers that she has out now, the regular ones, the first time one, like with the espresso when she had the trio, that one, this one in comparison to that is a lot heavier. Now this is what I've been doing. I've been using the same concealer I use to highlight, to go on top of my brows, and then I'm going to blend out the edges so it doesn't give that halo effect. I can understand how annoying the halo effect can be, and I can also appreciate how much cleaner the brows look. So I have been faced to a couple of it in the comment section talking about the halo brows. To me, it's not that serious. Oh my god, it's just not that significant to me, but I can appreciate the cleanness of it. So I've always done this. I just don't do it often, and I don't, that's like weird to say, but I do it, and I'm just doing it for you guys now. So this is my pink beauty blender, and I'm just using it to blend out the concealer. As I said, in comparison to the Fenty Beauty stick one, this one is heavier, so with the sponge it is absorbing as well as blending out. Yeah. When I use the stick concealer or the stick highlight from Fenty, I like using a brush because I don't want the product to be removed by the sponge or to be absorbed by the sponge. So I think, yeah, I went on top of my eyes a little bit, just that everything is one color, and to add like a little base as well to my entire eye area. And you can see that the arch of my brows are lighter than everywhere else, which is what I was going for. I want the arch of my brows to be lighter. So now to low light, I'm taking Perfect Bronze, and this is from Sasha Cosmetics, Jamaica, an oldie but a definite goodie. And I don't think I sped through this step. I'm using a stiff brush. This is the, I think, Contouring in Paradise, no, Sculpting in Paradise brush from our Poem in Paradise collection, and I love this brush for low lighting. It fits really nicely down my nose, the hollows of my cheeks, yeah, on my face, sorry. To me it just fits nicely, and it lends a little bit of precision to the, oh, that foundation was blended properly. Okay, it lends to a little bit of precision as well whenever I'm doing my low light, which I don't mind. So I can get like a straight line if needs be, and then just blend it out. It's just a little bit more precise for me. You can use another brush, that like a fluffier brush that blows out it for you. You know what I mean? Like have the product to go, you know, almost all over. But I find that when I do that, I still have to go in and correct with a powder. You know what I mean? Like I have to go underneath it to give that cut line, to have it a little bit sharper. So if I could just eliminate a step, then I'm not averse to eliminating a step. So I'm just eliminating a step. Alright, so now I believe I'll be using my Beauty Bakery powder. Yes, my Beauty Bakery flower powder, and it is in yellow, and I'm using a brush to apply this. I am not brave enough to use a beauty blender to apply it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use a brush. It gets the work done, and I'm going to apply it everywhere I applied Fawn. Ooh. I like when my makeup looks like this. I know some of you like when I blend it out, but when it's like this and the powder is a little bit sitting on my skin, if I have fallout, I can just brush it off along with the powder, you know, and whatever needs to be soaked up into my skin would have already been soaked up into my skin. So for my all over face, this is my Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica loose powder, and this is in the color Perfect Spice. So I'm putting it everywhere I did not low light. See, I'm going in front of the low light behind. I'm leaving the low light to stand as is, and I'm going to have this product sit on my face while I continue with the eye look. Now the eye look is fairly simple. Well, at least I think it's fairly simple. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put under my chin. That's good thing. I'm gonna put under my chin. So now I'm taking the same Beauty Bakery flour powder, and that's going to go on my brow bone, because the palette that I'll be using, they don't have a brow bone color. So rather than go for a brand new palette, I'm just going to be using whatever I used to set my highlight. I'm going to use it on my brow bone. If I had used the Sasha Cosmetics Buttercup, that yellow powder, I'd have still used it to highlight my brows, because I've done that before, because it just eliminates me having to go for another palette, because I already have it out. Let's just get her done. So this is actually the blush palette from JUVIAS Place, which is huge shout out to JUVIAS Place, and thank you very much for accepting my apology. I mean, you know, we both apologize, so we're good now. And I have a video addressing that. That's a video before this, and it'll be linked in the end card, so you can go ahead and watch that video. That video is a combination of a voiceover and also music. But I'm going to start leaning more towards doing voiceovers. If not, then talk through videos. The thing is, I do my videos early in the mornings, and Jonathan is asleep. I'm talking early, like 5 o'clock, before I have to actually get him ready for school. So that's how early I have to do my videos. And if I talk, I don't want to risk waking him up and then him go miserable, and I'm not prepped for him, you know. So I'm applying this blush all over my eyes, and as you can see, I'm going right on my brow bone, like just on top of my brow bone, so that it lends that orange to that orange color as well. Then I'm taking this color, and that's going to be going in my crease. And I actually did this look for a video shoot that I was doing. I didn't really put much thought into it. I was rushing to get ready, and I was like, you know, just have to do my foundation and lashes, and then this look happened, and I was like, oh, that's beautiful. Are you guys seeing that fallout on this eye? You see it right close to my nose? That's what I'm talking about when I say when I leave the powder to sit on my face. It helps with any fallout. You see me? And it's I can't even call it baking if you want to, but I mainly do it for fallout purposes. See? So yeah, so now I'm just deepening the crease, and I'm using the one palette, this blush palette. Listen, JUVIAS Place lied to us. Okay, the eye you're talking about is a blush palette. It's a eyeshadow blush palette, honey, because these colors are pigmented. Them coming like eyeshadow. You know what I mean? And a blush. You know what I mean there? But yeah, so no, I'm just lining my eyes with my LA Pro Primer in black. Then I'll be blending it out, blending out the edges. See, I'm just going to go on the edge, not on the waterline close to my eyeball, but my lash line. So I'm blending right under my lash line. I'm pulling it down just to blend it out so that there's no harsh lines, because I'll be actually using the pink from the palette again to go on that portion of my eyes, just to keep in the consistency of the palette, and just to show you guys, how well these colors work together. They're effortless together. So after I did this step, then I'll be going in with my LA Pro Primer, and this I'll be using it in white. Now I'll be actually going on top of the black. I should have left that space clear, but I didn't. So as I'm putting it on my eyes, you guys won't be seeing this because I'm going to jump to the other eye. As I'm putting it on my eyes, I'm wiping it off because the black is being transferred to the white. Excuse me. So now after I'm done with that, then I'm taking that color, which is a highlighting color from the palette, and that will be going in my happy area. Then I'll be checking the Royalty by JUVIAS, Royalty 1 by JUVIAS loose highlighter, and I'll be using it to highlight. I'm talking to Jonathan, as I said in the beginning of the video. He done woke up, honey, and we were having conversations. So yeah. So I'm just highlighting, but I'll also be adding some extra highlight, you know, just to kind of blend everything together. But this highlight is absolutely gorgeous. I have the other one as well, the lighter one, which I will be introducing to you guys for this upcoming week. I'm not going to lie to you. Today's Wednesday, and I'm doing this voiceover today on Wednesday. I have not filmed tomorrow's video. Kind of nervous about that, but it's going to have to be another voiceover because I have to film early in the morning. So again, you're going to have to be another voiceover for you guys. But yeah. So I'm going to do two blushes, I believe, the orange and the pink. And yes, they have names, but I didn't write them down and I can't see so far when I'm editing the video. And then I'm actually going to be low lighting again with the color with that purplish, like that deep plummy purple or deep brick color from the palette as well. Now for my lashes, I'm going to be using my Fashionista lashes, and they're from my lash line, poem by Lyric, and they're actually going for $1,000. But I only have about 3 or 4 left, so I don't have much left. So I have those. They're not at Draws and they're not at Hair Vibes. I have those. So these are the lashes, the Puma lashes in Fashionista. I just love how they're nice and full. I love a nice full lash. I'm not averse to a nice full lash. But anyway, so for my lips, I'll be using T2. I'm using T2. They're matte lippy as well for my lips. And I've been wearing this lippy a good while now on my Instagram. I'm kind of getting bored of it, but I love how it looks. I'll try to stay away from it. But that's what I'm using on my lips. So this is the additional highlight that I spoke about earlier on. And this is actually the complete look. I love how the chin highlight looks in pictures. You see, you guys? Oh my god, I love how it looks. So that's why I've been tilting my head in these IG pictures, honey. But this is the look, you guys. Beautiful, ain't it? Absolutely gorgeous, honey. Absolutely gorgeous. Information on my bonnet will be in the description. Information on where I need to purchase anything at all will definitely be in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment. Let me guys know what you think about it, and let me know what looks you would like to see. I don't know if I will be doing them, but hey, give me some ideas. What can mama do? What can I do, honey? But this is the entire look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying subscribed, and hello, hi to all my new subscribers. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Ooh, y'all here, mama. Do the damn thing.